Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to check login details on Bitget wallet application. To check your login details on Bitget, such as recent login activity, follow these steps. Open up your Bitget application on your mobile device, or you can also log into Bitget website. From your home page of Bitget, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. Now, click on your username at the top and this will open up the user center. Tap on security and then tap on the account activity option at the bottom. You will then be able to see your recent logins, including the time, device, and location. So that is how you check your login details on Bitget. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.